Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva Pro to create reusable brand templates faster. Full guide step by step clearly.
Open Canva and log in to your Canva Pro account.
Once logged in, navigate to the home page and select Create a Design. Choose a design type that fits your brand, such as a social media post or presentation. On the design canvas, start by customizing the overall layout. Set your brand colors by clicking on Brand Kit in the side panel. If you haven't uploaded your brand colors, add them now. Next, upload your brand logos by selecting Upload and choosing your files. Add your logos to the design for easy access. Now, incorporate your brand fonts. Go to the text section and select your preferred fonts from the brand kit. Once your design layout is as you want it, create placeholders for images and text. Use frames for images to maintain consistency across templates. When your design is ready, save it as a template. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select Template Link and copy the link to share your template format. To reuse your template, simply go back to your Canva homepage. Select all your designs and find your saved template. Open the template and customize it for new projects as needed. Remember to save your new designs as separate files to keep your original template intact. Regularly update your templates based on feedback and changing brand needs. With these steps, you will create and configure reusable brand templates efficiently in Canva Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.